Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 90. Hannah deposited a fixed amount into her bank account each month. The functions f of t equal 100 plus 25t gives the amount in dollars. In Hannah's bank account after t monthly deposits, what is the best interpretation of 25 in this context? So for this question, we should list out a chart. Let's say if we have t here and then f of x here is 100 plus 25t. So if t is 0, f of x equal 100. Okay, how we got that? Let me break it down. Here is 100 at 25 times 0. 25 times 0 is 0. That's 100. Similar to that, if t equal 1, it means the first month, right? After the first month, you will have 100 at 25t. So t equal 1, so 100 at 25 is 125. 100 at 25 times 1. Okay, after the second month, we will have 150. This is 100 at 25 times 2, or is equal 125 at 25. This is from the first month. Okay, so if it t equal 3 mean after 3 months we will have 175. 100 at 25 times 3, that is 150 is the second month. We add 25 more. So that is the 25 talking about right here. How it changed. Okay, so let's read the answer choices. With A, with its monthly deposit, the amount in Hannah's bank account increased by 25. That look right. After each month, we see that the 25 is add up. The 100 at t equals 0 mean it's the principal, is the first amount she have in her bank account at first. Okay, so let's say B, before Hannah make any monthly deposit, the amount in her bank account was $25. This one not true. Before any monthly deposit mean when t equals 0, she have her principal is 100. So this is the amount she deposit at first. Okay, so probably it's not B because this one is $100. C, after one monthly deposit, the amount in Hannah's bank account was $25. Is what increased $25 because at first she had $100 and then after the first month she got $125. So this one is not the right answer. D, Hannah make a total of 25 monthly deposit. It doesn't say that, right? It just say it's increased 25 every month. It doesn't say she would do it in 25 months. It's not warranty. So A is the perfect answer. By plugging a field value of t into the functions, we will see how it's worked. What is the relationship between t and f of x? Okay, so in context of linear equations, we have f of x that equal y, right? Equal 100. Usually we will write out at 25t plus 100 because we have y equal mx plus b. And if we remember, m is the slope. The slope is how it changes multiple times the independent variable x. Okay, so that will be affect the y value. This one is the y-intercept. Y-intercept is write out as 0, comma y-intercept, which is when x equals 0, you plug in the functions x equals 0, then you find the y-intercept. So here we have y-intercept is 100. So y-intercept in this case is 0, comma 100. Okay, and then 25 the slope. So if we draft this one, it will look like this. Okay, so this is the t. This is f of x. Let's say here is 100. At t equals 0 right here, f of x equal 100. And then if we're drawing, we know that it increased 25. M is equal 25. 25 is over 1. So this one means we go up 25 unit. We go to the right 1 unit. Okay, so we go up 25. Here is 25. Let's say this is, we go up 25, and then let's say this is 0 month, this is 1 month, 2, 3. Okay, so up here, go to the right, so we have another point right here. That is the first month. Then if we go up 1 to the right, go up 25. Each part right here is 25. So this is 125, this is 150, this is 175, this is 200. Okay, so the second point is, so right here we have 0, comma 100. This is 1, 125. This is 2, 150. This is 3, 175. Okay, so we go up one more. This costs 25 up. Then we go to the right 1 unit. Then this one we have another point right there. And then if we connect them, we have the line. It keep going. So at 4, it's right here. It should be 200. So next one, 4, comma 200. So every month, 1t increase 1, y or f of x will be increase 25. Let's fix this one. This one have to be f of t, right? F of t. Okay, f of t. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.